Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. In 2026, the battle between AI-generated content and human-made content has become one of the hottest topics in the digital world. From YouTube videos and blog posts to ads, music, and even movies, AI tools are creating content faster and cheaper than ever. But the big question remains, who actually wins in 2026? AI or humans? The rise of AI-generated content. AI content tools have evolved rapidly. Today, AI can write scripts, generate realistic videos, create voiceovers, edit thumbnails, and even predict what content is most likely to go viral. For creators and businesses, this means faster production, lower costs, scalable content output, data-driven optimization. Platforms like YouTube are flooded with AI-generated videos, shorts, and faceless channels. Many of these channels rack up millions of views, proving that AI content can perform extremely well when optimized correctly for SEO and algorithms. From a purely technical and efficiency standpoint, AI is winning. It can publish 100 videos while a human struggles to publish 2-3. The trust problem with AI content. However, 2026 has also exposed a major weakness of AI-made content: trust and emotional connection. Audiences, especially in the US, are becoming more aware of AI usage. Viewers can often sense when content feels robotic, repetitive, or lacks real-life experience. Key issues with AI-generated content: generic tone and predictable structure, lack of personal stories and emotions, repetitive ideas across platforms, lower long-term brand loyalty. As a result, many viewers now prefer human creators for opinion-based, emotional, and experience-driven content, such as podcasts and interviews, personal finance and life advice, reviews and reaction videos, storytelling and documentaries. In 2026, authenticity has become a ranking factor, not just for viewers but also for platforms. Human-made content, the authentic advantage. Human creators still dominate where emotions, credibility, and personality matter most. A real face, real voice, and real experience create a deeper bond with the audience. This is why top YouTubers continue to grow even while using AI in the background. Strengths of human-made content: emotional storytelling, personal opinions and biases, real-world experience, strong community building. Audiences don't just consume human content, they connect with it. In 2026, this connection translates into higher watch time, better brand deals, stronger fan loyalty, long-term channel growth. The real winner in 2026: hybrid creators. The truth is, neither AI nor humans win alone. The real winners in 2026 are hybrid creators, humans who smartly use AI. Top creators now use AI for script research and outlines, video editing and captions, SEO titles, descriptions and tags, thumbnail concepts and A/B testing. But they keep the final voice, face, and storytelling human. This hybrid approach gives the best of both worlds: AI for speed and optimization, humans for emotion and trust. What this means for YouTube creators. For YouTube's success in 2026, faceless AI channels can still work for news, facts, and shorts. Human-led channels dominate in authority, lifestyle, and opinion niches. AI-assisted human creators see the fastest growth. Creators who rely only on AI may get views but struggle with long-term audience trust. Creators who ignore AI risk falling behind in efficiency and SEO. Final verdict. So AI versus human-made content. Who wins in 2026? AI wins in speed and scale. Humans win in trust and connection. Hybrid creators win overall. In 2026, success isn't about choosing sides. It's about using AI as a tool, not a replacement. The future of content belongs to creators who combine technology with humanity. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.